Hi, my name is Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a very exciting announcement to make. I have teamed up with this sweet and talented Antoinette over at Simply a Cheek. I will link her channel in the description box below to co-host an open collaboration challenge. The name of our challenge is DIY Home Organization on a Budget. And the rules are simple. Number one, we're asking that you find a space or a room in your home that needs organization and to come up with a solution that is budget friendly and also include some sort of DIY component. Number two, we're asking that you post your video on April 3rd anytime during the day. Number three, we ask that you add your video to the playlist for the challenge. Number four, we also ask that you mention Antoinette and myself in the description box of your video. And most importantly, number five, have fun. If you're a YouTube creator, this is a great opportunity for you to meet other YouTube creators, make friends, make new connections in this wonderful community of home decor that we have here on YouTube. I'm really excited for this challenge. It is the first one I get to host, and I want to personally thank Antoinette for co-hosting this challenge with me. I am really looking forward to seeing what everyone comes up with, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.